In this video I'll show you guys how I use the same strategy over and over to get results like these. In this video I'll go through why you guys lose your trades on expert option and how to use my strategy to increase your winning rate on expert option. The first and main reason most of people lose their money is trading without proper analyzation of the market. The most important thing on any trading platform is proper analyzation of the market. If you haven't analyzed the market, it's near impossible to place a correct trade and win that trade. That's why I always tell you guys to do the proper analyzation before trading. If you're new to expert option platform, you can use the trends tab to get a better idea about the market's trend. But I won't recommend you to fully rely on this tool. This tool even may be wrong sometimes. Another crucial factor is when it comes to trading is your patience level. Being patient while trading and placing the trade at the perfect time will always lead you to the winning of that trade. Most of new traded as well as old traders make the mistake of not waiting till the correct time to place the trade. If you've identified the market's trend, you need to be further patient and place the trade at the most perfect time. In this particular clip I'm gonna place an order without proper analyzation of the market to show you guys an example. As you can see, I ended up losing the trade my money. The next big mistake lots of people make is trading on stable markets. Here's an example for a stable market. It's very difficult to identify the trend of this market. If you stumble upon a market like this, it's better to change to a different market or trade at a different time. Next mistake lots of new traders make is placing their trade too soon. If your markets are nowhere near the trade closing line, don't place a trade. If you place a trade too soon by analyzing the market, there's plenty of time for the market to change its direction. Because of this, you could end up again losing your money. The winning strategy I use is called the spike method. I've showed you guys about this strategy in my past videos. I use this strategy a lot on my day-to-day trading sessions to get best results out of my trades. The first benefit is the higher winning rate. In this strategy, we wait until the market goes to the peak of its trend to place the trade. This will lower our chances of losing and give us a good resulting trade. The second reason is the low complexity. This strategy is very much a beginner-friendly strategy. The user just has to identify the market's trend and place the trade when the market hit the peak of its trend. Just because this trend is beginner-friendly doesn't mean this trend is useless. The old trades. Most of expert trades use this strategy to get better and better results on their trades every day. The third benefit of this strategy is there's no indicator use. Most of strategies these days requires you to use tons of indicators while trading. This could make trading more complex and overwhelming for beginner trades. The strategy I'm using here does not require any indicators at all. You just use the pure market and get amazing results without any indicators. As I mentioned earlier, the strategy I use is called the spike method. In this strategy, we will first need to identify the trend of the market. This part is very important to use this strategy. Without knowing the market's trend, using this strategy will be useless. After properly identifying the strategy, you'll need wait until a spike form to the opposite of the market's trend, such as this one. These spikes are not that rare. They form very often throughout the market. The spikier the market is, the easier it's gonna be us to trade. The bigger spike, higher the winning rate's gonna be. After a spike form such as this one, we are gonna quickly place a trade to the opposite direction of the market. Placing the trade at the correct time and correct place will again help you to maximize your winning chances and get that 80% profit. Now I'll show you guys example trade places using this exact same strategy. First, I'll analyze the market and identify its trend. After that, I'll wait for the perfect moment to place my trade. As you guys can see here, the market is hitting its peak on the trend. I'm place an order here. And now we'll have to wait until the results of the trade. As you guys can see, I won that trade easily. But always keep in mind, any of the strategies has a 100% winning rate. It's always depending on proper analyzation and the market's behavior. I'll again put a trade using this strategy. Here again the market is hitting a peak of its trend. I'll again put a trade according this behavior. I ended up winning the trade again. Now let's place another trade. Unfortunately, I lost that trade. As you guys can see, this is the reality of trading. You can't win each and every trade you place. No matter how much you analyze or how much long you've been trading, you can't predict the market 100% accurately. But using strategies like these will help you to lower the risks of losing your money and boost the winning rates. With this last trade, I'm gonna end this video right here. So, see you guys in the next video.